everyone, welcome to Utopia, Creating a Paradise. Today's video is about camel race in Qatar, which is traditional culture and very close to their heart. After having delicious brunch, we went to our pickup point, which was Museum of Islamic Art. We were on time. We booked our camel race tour through Murex Tours. I would highly recommend Murex Tours. They are very professional. You will find their link in the description. Camel racing track is located to Al Shahaniya, which is 40 km from Doha city towards west of Qatar. It takes around 35 to 40 minutes to reach there. After reaching, they served us hot karak tea. Here you can see many cars are parked. These are prizes for winners of race. 10 winners for each race. Total 12 races were scheduled on that particular day. Now it's time for race. Race candidates are decided based on age of camel, male and female. Female camels are faster than male camel. Here you can see on each camel's back there is a robo. Let's move to behind the scenes before continuing on the race. You can see sand used for racetrack is different from sand on beach. Here you can see long track. These are robo jockey installed on camel back. These are remote controlled robot. These are lightweight so it won't trouble to camel. Here you can see camels are lined up for inspection by authorities. Once inspection done, they are lined up at start line of race. Now let's go back to race which we left behind. Here you all can see many cars running along the track. Trainers and owners are in the cars controlling robo jockeys and cheering up their camels. Camel race is their tradition and culture for Qataris. Now camels are closer to the finish line. This is finishing line and these all are winners. Now let's move for prizes. Winners were rewarded with silver dagger, cars, silver spare, and it is really prestigious. This was very different and memorable experience for us. We are thankful to Murex Tours for their professional service. I hope you guys also enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned and see you soon. Till then, bye bye. Take care.